Have you ever wondered how numbers can guide us on our life's journey? This intriguing question is the cornerstone of Vedic numerology, a fascinating discipline that hails from the ancient lands of India, where it was known as Jyotish, or the science of light. This ancient wisdom suggests that numbers are not merely mathematical entities, but rather, they hold vibrational frequencies that influence our lives and destinies. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, every thread is interwoven with the essence of numbers. Vedic numerology is a key that unlocks this cosmic code, allowing us to interpret the subtle patterns and rhythms of existence. Each number from 1 to 9 carries a unique vibrational frequency. This frequency resonates with specific qualities, energies, and potentialities, which can provide profound insights into our personalities, strengths, weaknesses, and life paths. Imagine, for a moment, that you are a traveler embarking on a journey of self-discovery. Vedic numerology is like a compass, guiding you through the labyrinth of life. It illuminates the path ahead, revealing the contours of your inner landscape and the milestones of your destiny. It encourages you to explore the depths of your being, to understand your innate talents and challenges, and to align with your soul's purpose. But how does it work? How can numbers reveal such intricate details about our lives? The answer lies in the sacred art of numerology. Each of us is born under a specific numerical pattern, determined by our birth date and name. This pattern forms the blueprint of our lives, influencing our character, relationships, career, and spiritual growth. By studying this blueprint, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. That's the beauty of Vedic numerology. It's a pathway to self-awareness and spiritual growth. It's a mirror that reflects our innermost truths, a tool that empowers us to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and grace. So, are you ready to embark on this enlightening journey? Are you ready to unlock the mysteries of your numerical blueprint? The adventure has just begun. What if I told you there's a sacred numerical matrix that can help you understand yourself better? This isn't just a hypothetical question, but a gateway into the realm of Vedic numerology. Enter the Luso grid, a potent tool that serves as a mirror into our souls. The Luso grid is a mystical structure comprising 9 squares, each resonating with a specific number from 1 to 9. But these aren't just ordinary numbers. In the world of Vedic numerology, each digit carries its own vibrational frequency, symbolic significance, and energetic qualities. Let's start with the number 1. It symbolizes the beginning, the origin, the self. It's the number of leaders, pioneers, and trailblazers. On the flip side, 2 signifies balance, partnership, and cooperation. It's the number of diplomats, peacemakers, and lovers. As we move to 3, we encounter creativity, communication, and expression. It's the realm of artists, writers, and performers. 4, on the other hand, stands for stability, order, and hard work. It's the domain of the builder, the organizer, the pragmatist. When we reach 5, we find freedom, change, and adventure. It's the world of the explorer, the risk-taker, the free spirit. 6 brings us to love, harmony, and responsibility. It's the home of the nurturer, the caregiver, the healer. 7 is the number of the seeker, the thinker, the dreamer. It represents introspection, wisdom, and spiritual quest. 8, meanwhile, embodies power, ambition, and material success. It's the number of the achiever, the entrepreneur, the leader. Finally, 9. It's the number of fulfillment, humanitarianism, and spiritual enlightenment. It's the realm of the visionary, the philosopher, the sage. Each of these numbers, with their unique qualities and influences, plays a crucial role in the Luso grid. They interact, they resonate, they weave a narrative of our strengths, weaknesses, desires, and destinies. So what does your Luso grid say about you? What secrets does it hold? What truths does it reveal? The Luso grid is more than just numbers. It's a mirror reflecting our deepest selves. You have the power to decode the numerical blueprint of your life. And today, we're going to do just that. So, buckle up as we navigate through the fascinating process of crafting your personal Luso grid. The Luso grid, a sacred matrix of 9 squares, is a powerful tool in Vedic numerology. Each square in this grid is associated with a specific number from 1 to 9, and these numbers, derived from your birth date and name, create a personalized numerical profile. This profile holds the key to understanding your personality, your strengths, your weaknesses, and your life path. So how do you create this numerical blueprint? It's simple. All you need is your birth date and your full name. Let's begin with your birth date. The first step is to reduce your birth date to a single digit. Let's take an example. If you were born on the 25th of October in the year 1978, you add up all the numbers in your birth date. 2 plus 5 from the 25th, plus 1 plus 0 from October, the 10th month, plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 from 1978. This gives you a total of 33. You then add the two digits of 33 together, 3 plus 3 to get 6. So 6 is the first number in your Luso grid. Next, we move on to your name. Each letter in your full name corresponds to a particular number based on the Pythagorean system. For instance, A corresponds to 1, B to 2, and so forth, until you reach I, which corresponds to 9. Then it starts again with J corresponding to 1, K to 2, and so on. Let's say your name is John Doe. You would translate each letter in your name to a number, add them up, and then reduce them to a single digit, just like you did with your birth date. For John Doe, the calculation would look like this. J, 1 plus O, 6 plus H, 8 plus N, 5, gives us a total of 20. D, 4 plus O, 6 plus E, 5, gives us a total of 15. Adding 20 and 15 together gives us 35. Then 3 plus 5 equals 8. So 8 is the second number in your Luso grid. Once you have these two numbers, you fill them into your Luso grid. The number derived from your birth date goes into the square associated with the number 1, and the number from your name goes into the square associated with the number 2. The remaining numbers can be calculated using specific formulas related to the first two numbers. Crafting your Luso grid is like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle. As each number falls into place, a picture of your life, your personality, and your destiny begins to emerge. Each number, each square, is a piece of the puzzle, and together, they form a comprehensive portrait of your life. This process may seem complex at first glance, but once you start practicing, it becomes easier. You can begin by creating Luso grids for your friends and family members. As you gain confidence, you can dive deeper, exploring the meanings and influences of each number, and decoding the hidden messages in your Luso grid. Remember, the Luso grid is not a fortune-telling tool. It doesn't predict your future. Instead, it empowers you to shape your destiny. Each number in your grid represents a specific energy, a vibrational frequency that influences your life. By understanding these energies, you can align yourself with them, harness their power, and navigate your life with clarity and confidence. So, go ahead, grab a pen and paper, and start crafting your Luso grid. This is your chance to unlock the secrets of your life, to discover your strengths and challenges, and to empower yourself with the wisdom of numbers. Creating your Luso grid is the first step towards aligning with the wisdom of numbers. It's a journey of self-discovery, a journey that leads you to the heart of your life. So embrace this journey, dive deep into the world of numbers, and let the wisdom of Vedic numerology guide you towards self-awareness, growth, and fulfillment. Each number in your Luso grid is a piece of the puzzle that is you. As we delve into the heart of the Luso grid, we find a mosaic of numbers, each carrying its own unique vibration and message. These numbers, ranging from 1 to 9, are not just digits. They hold a mirror to our strengths, weaknesses, potentials, and challenges. They are signposts, guiding us on our journey through life. Let's begin with the number 1. In the Luso grid, 1 signifies the sun, the source of all life, symbolizing leadership, ambition, and determination. If you find number 1 predominant in your grid, you may possess innate leadership qualities and a drive to blaze your own trail. Number 2, on the other hand, represents the moon, reflecting qualities of sensitivity, cooperation, and peace. It resonates with those who are natural peacemakers, diplomats, or nurturers. If number 2 shines brightly in your grid, you likely thrive in partnerships and teamwork. Next is the number 3, symbolizing the planet Jupiter. It is associated with creativity, optimism, and an adventurous spirit. Those with a strong presence of 3s in their grid are often charismatic, filled with vibrant energy, and have a knack for seeing the brighter side of life. The number 4 signifies Rahu, a shadowy entity in Vedic astrology, symbolizing practicality, discipline, and stability. If your grid resonates with 4s, you might have a methodical approach to life, valuing structure and order. 5, associated with Mercury, signifies communication, flexibility, and curiosity. Individuals with a significant presence of 5s in their grid might be versatile, intellectually curious, and adept at expressing themselves. Number 6, symbolizing Venus, is about love, beauty, and harmony. If 6s are prominent in your grid, you may have a natural flair for aesthetics, a deep love for beauty, and a strong desire for harmony in your surroundings. 7, represented by Ketu, another shadow entity, signifies introspection, spirituality, and wisdom. Those with 7s in their grid might be drawn to the mysteries of life, seeking deeper truths and spiritual wisdom. Number 8, associated with Saturn, symbolizes discipline, patience, and perseverance. If your grid vibrates strongly with 8s, you might be disciplined, patient, and have a remarkable ability to persevere through challenges. Finally, the number 9, symbolizing Mars, signifies courage, energy, and transformation. If 9s are prominent in your grid, you might possess a courageous spirit, a vibrant energy, and a natural ability to transform and evolve. Now imagine your Luso grid as a vibrant canvas painted with these numbers. Interpreting your grid involves understanding the patterns these numbers form, the energies they bring, and the messages they whisper. For instance, if your grid is dominated by 3s and 9s, you might have a dynamic personality, brimming with creativity, courage, and transformational energy. Or if your grid is filled with 2s and 6s, you might be a harmonizer, thriving in cooperative environments and drawn towards beauty and peace. However, it's not just about the numbers themselves, but also their placement in the grid. Each square holds a specific significance, reflecting different aspects of your life, such as personality, relationships, career, and spiritual growth. For instance, if the number 1, symbolizing leadership, is placed in the square related to career, it might suggest a potential for leadership roles in your professional life. Similarly, a 7 in the square related to spirituality could indicate a deep spiritual inclination. Remember, the Luso grid is not about predicting the future, but rather understanding the present and guiding the future. It's about unveiling the hidden aspects of your personality, illuminating your path, and empowering you to navigate your journey with greater self-awareness and wisdom. Interpreting your Luso grid is like reading a personal guidebook, written in the language of numbers. It's a journey of self-discovery, a dialogue with your inner self, and a dance with the cosmic energies that shape your life. Applying the wisdom of Vedic numerology can transform your everyday life. Integrating the insights from your Luso grid into your daily practices can lead to profound shifts in self-understanding, decision-making, and personal growth. Consider the Luso grid as a spiritual compass, guiding you towards your true north. It's not about predicting the future, but rather illuminating the path to your highest potential. Every number in your grid holds a key to understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and inherent traits, helping you navigate life's challenges and opportunities with grace and wisdom. In the realm of decision-making, the insights from your Luso grid can serve as a valuable tool. Whether it's choosing a career path, investing in relationships, or setting personal goals, the vibrational frequencies of your numbers can provide clarity and direction. Imagine making choices not out of fear or confusion, but from a place of deep self-awareness and alignment with your life's purpose. But the benefits of Vedic numerology extend beyond decision-making. By understanding the energetic qualities of your numbers, you can harness their power to manifest your intentions. Aligning your actions with your numerical vibrations can amplify your ability to attract what you desire, be it love, success, health, or peace. Moreover, Vedic numerology encourages self-improvement. The Luso grid doesn't just highlight your strengths, but also your areas for growth. Embracing these insights can catalyze personal development, fostering resilience, compassion, and self-love. To integrate these insights into your daily practices, start small. Reflect on your Luso grid in moments of quietude, perhaps during meditation or journaling. Let the numbers speak to you, revealing their wisdom in their own time. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery, and each step brings you closer to your true self. In the end, Vedic numerology doesn't just predict, it empowers and enlightens. It invites you to take the reins of your destiny, guiding you towards a life of harmony, fulfillment, and spiritual growth. So, as you walk the path of Vedic numerology, remember to embrace the journey with an open heart and a curious mind. Our journey into the world of Vedic numerology and the Luso grid doesn't end here. This has just been the first step, the initiation into a realm where numbers reveal hidden truths, where each digit holds the potential to unlock profound insights about our lives and ourselves. As we close this chapter, let's remember that this is not the conclusion, but rather a commencement. Numerology, especially the profound wisdom of the Luso grid, is not a destination but a journey, a lifelong path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Each day brings new opportunities to delve deeper, to unravel fresh layers of understanding, and to better align with the vibrational frequencies that numbers hold. So, let's keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep decoding the mysteries of the universe encoded in numbers. Remember, the wisdom of Vedic numerology and the Luso grid is a guide, illuminating your path as you journey through life.